Hello you sexy people, welcome back. I'm not going to film my intro because I just put my microphone a little bit closer because I've literally just got myself set up to film before I go to the gym, and Blake's mum and dad have just got back from going for a meal with Blake's uncle and his wife. It's just very awkward filming. It's awkward filming when people are in the house to begin with. Some more awkward people that I've never really met before. So I'm not going to sing my intro because it's a bit awkward, you know what I mean? So let's see if I can push through and just film anyway. So the thing that's going to push me through this video is the fact that it's actually a really, really exciting one because I'm going to be testing this bad boy. So if you watched my what I got for my birthday video, by the way I'm going to talk a bit quieter because, you know, if you watch my what I got for my birthday video, which I'll leave a link down below if you want to go have a nosy, my friends very kindly gifted me, put together and gifted me the VIEVE '90s palette, which is very, very different for me because it's cool tones, but it's something that I want to kind of get into a little bit more. So I thought we could have a little play with this today and see what we think of it. I'm not going to do swatches because there's no way I'm sticking my finger in this. You're going to have to just get over that, sorry. Yeah, let's do a nice cool toned eye look. Let's just get straight into it. And I'm going to film another video after this, doing a full face testing Lancome, or well, a full face testing as much Lancome as what I have anyway. So that'll be coming on my YouTube very, very soon if it's not already up. So let's just get into this bad boy, because on my what I got for my birthday video, this was what you said that you really wanted me to do a video on. So you ask, you shall receive. Let's zoom in and try and get this filmed whilst there's people in the house. It's so awkward. It costs £45, which is just insane, but you can get, if you go on Cult Beauty, you can get a lot of discounts and stuff on there. Like for instance, at the moment they've got 20% off when you spend £50. So you could buy that. And my favourite thing ever from, well, not my favourite thing ever from VIEVE, but my thing that is very bougie, because it costs £5 for a pencil sharpener, but it is the best pencil sharpener I've ever tried in my whole entire life. It's absolutely amazing. I used to really struggle to sharpen like any of my MAC lip liners. Literally done. Like the best thing ever. Again, I told Laura to buy it when we went to the pop-up VIEVE shop in London, and she was like, yeah, it's literally the best pencil sharpener I've ever tried in my life. And I was like, I know, I don't lie. But yeah, let's get straight into this. The packaging is stunning, absolutely gorgeous, you know. And this is what the actual palette looks like. I don't really know what vibe I'm going to go for. We'll soon find out together. I'm going to go in with my Revolution Super Base eye primer to prep my eyeballs. I'm going to go with Benefit Powder Shadow Brush, which is like an angled one like this. I'm going to start with the shade 93, which is this one here, which actually was a year before I was born. Yeah, that Blake was born, funny enough. I find absolutely crazy, like Blake's 30 this year and I'm 30 next year. Like I'm going to be 29 this year. I'm still 28. I've only just turned 28, but it's not the point. So I'm going to pack this kind of in, such a nice colour, in this outer bit here. That's going to go so nice with my green eyes, because it's got like a burgundy kind of undertone to it. I'm going to go with another packing brush. This is the Kit Stars S32 shade brush, which just looks like this. And I'm going to go in, oh my god, one of the colours is called Low Rise. Definitely not my vibe. High-waisted to the tees, please. And I'm going to go in the shade Whatever. And pack that kind of right above, just like so. I'd love to wear like something cool toned for a night out, but I don't really think I've got outfits. I don't think that would go with it. Now I'm going to take a Lily England 101 brush, it's like a fluffy brush like this, and then I'm going to go in with that Low Rise shade that I mentioned, which is like this one here. I actually have no idea what I'm doing, I'm just totally winging this, and then I'm going to go in with that to blend out that last shade, and I'm also going to pack that through the crease as well. Looks really messy at the moment, but don't worry because I'm going to blend it out even further. And then taking a Morphe M514 brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Supermodel, which is this grey shade here. What's everyone been up to recently as well? How have you all been? I can actually tell you now that I've recently been promoted at work. Like a really intense interview, and I had to do like a full like on like presentation. I had to come up with like a full, I had like a task, like a campaign that I had to do, and do like a full presentation. I honestly worked so hard on it. Do when you work on something so hard and you think, if I don't get it, there's nothing, like I literally could not have done any more than what I've done. So I was happy like with how my interview went and how my presentation went, and I thought, if I don't get it, it's just not the right time right now, but I got it. So I've been promoted at work to a junior brand manager. So what that basically means is, because at the moment my job title is a brand assistant, well, it's not actually a junior brand manager now, but previously it was a brand assistant who would work with, oh my god, I love this, would work with the junior brand manager to basically do like all the marketing for launches that we have coming out. So I would like basically help with designing the creative photography, pitching that in and briefing that into our photography team, approving it all, writing the description for products, briefing influencers and content back, coming up with a whole like idea of how we want to sell this product and what we want the story to be behind it as well. So I was already kind of doing that on Relove, and I was doing it on a lot of Makeup Rev launches, but not like officially. It was like part of my like brand assistant role was to like kind of build my expertise on that. And from doing that, I managed to apply for the junior brand manager job and get it and be successful, which I'm like so proud of myself for, and like still like really buzzing and like shocked that I got it, because I thought it would have been something that I would have had to wait at least like a year or two before I would be like considered for it. So yeah, I'm just going back in with them shades, by the way, and just reapplying a little bit and like reblending and stuff. So yeah, I will now be the junior brand manager for Make Revolution and Relove. So if you have any ideas of things that you'd like Revolution to do, or different ways that you'd like them to like show themselves on social media, or things that you feel like we're missing on social media or for product launches or on the website, please let me know, because obviously that's going to be my job role moving forward, which is like crazy. So I've done that. I want to go with like a fluffier brush actually. I'm going to take a Morphe M441 brush, like a bigger fluffier one, and I'm just going to go in with the shade Skimp, which is like the lightest grey. I don't really feel like you need this shade to blend out my eye, because it's blended out like really easily, but just to use it and to make it even more seamless, I'm just going to use that right around the edges. For Shim Shim for this, I think I'm going to use all three, to be honest. So I'm going to use VHS, Acid Wash, and then Dial Up is the lightest one. So I'm going to go in with VHS on my finger to begin with, and I'm just going to put just a little bit of that on to kind of blend into the definition in the outer corner, but I'll go back through and blend all of it through. Then I'm going to go in with Acid Wash, which to be fair, there's not a massive difference between them. You can definitely tell that it's like a little bit lighter, so I'm going to pop that one there. But when you actually put them on the eye, they don't really look that much different. You probably could have done with another colour in here that wasn't like maybe like a really stark silver would have been pretty cool. And then we have Dial Up, which is like definitely that brighter one. I'm going to pop that more in that inner corner. So yeah, I've been like super quiet on YouTube. By the time you're watching this, I might have already uploaded a few videos, but when I'm actually filming this, I haven't uploaded for like 9 days. I'm putting that right in that inner corner as well, just to brighten that up. But I've just been super busy. I've been trying to obviously get my promotion, prove myself at work. Obviously then I was pooling, my period just killed me off. So it's just been like a right mix of emotions and just trying to do my course, and yeah, just been crazy times. I'm going to go back in with that 93 shade and that Benefit angled brush and reapply that definition, because you definitely lose it when you put that shimmer on, so it just goes over the top. So I'm going to put that like so, you see it just gives a bit more definition to the eyeball. I've also been sorting out a lot of my makeup to do like full face try-in stuff, because I've realised, like, I don't need to be doing, oh my god, I know this is a bit of a hypocrite, because this video, I'm doing a video just on a palette in this video, but that's because I can actually do another video of the Lancome stuff which doesn't have an eyeshadow palette, so it makes sense. I can get 2 videos out of 1 look. But before, I was obviously only filming like 1 look every time I was filming. And if I'm trying to upload like 3 different kind of looks a week, that means I have to film on 3 different days. I do not have the time with work, doing my marketing course, trying to go to the gym, again, haven't been for 2 weeks, so I've not been well at all. I'm just trying to juggle everything else on top of everything, and I've been going into London for work as well, so like there's that on top of things. It's just been way too much, so I'm gonna try and do more, doing loads of different reviews in 1 video moving forward, and then it's less time consuming, but I'm still getting all my reviews out there. So I started making some like little drawers of stuff last night, of like high-end full face test and high-end stuff, full face of pre-mark stuff that I've got put to one side. Like, I've been kind of setting it all out, so I've got like 1 look is actually filming and using multiple things within that. But this is like my little look that I've done with this palette. I'm not gonna lie, it looks stunning. I do feel like it does make my green eyes pop a little bit. So I'm gonna match it up my other eye, and I'll show you what it looks like. Oh my god, I'm actually obsessed with how that's turned out. I really do think that 93 shade, that burgundy there, has just really, really tied it all together. Obviously there is also another darker shade that has a little bit of that colour in it, but not as much obviously as this one. But it just really makes my green eyes pop. Very, very nice. So I'm going to clean up and obviously film my Lancome test and full face video, and then I'll come back and show you what I think. Oh, I forgot to do my other brow bone. Just sat here with 1 brow bone highlighted and not the other one. Pop that bad boy, and this would make a really nice, just like normal highlighter. Might pop that on if I haven't got a Lancome one as well. But obsessed. I know it's really expensive. It's whether you need it or not. There's other cool tone palettes. If you live in America, ColourPop do one. W7 do one if you live in the UK. I don't think they do W7 in the US, but just think of like ones that you could easily get that are affordable. Not have to go out and buy a £45 one because it's a ridiculous price. But I love Genevieve, and I love her formula. Is it like absolutely groundbreaking? I'm gonna like completely stand out compared to every single other eyeshadow palette you have? Not particularly. Some of it will stand out. Again, some palettes it would really stand out if the formula is like me. The formula is really nice with this. It blends really easily. The shimmers just like are there, perfect. But like I said, it's whether you want to spend £45 on it or not. Cost of living crisis at the moment, like we need to weigh up whether we want to pay that much money on something or not. So yeah, I'm gonna finish off the rest of my face, and I'll come back and pop in some on, and pop in. It's not, you can tell that people are in because I'm just head farted trying to film. I hate filming those people in the house, and I've just kind of got used to doing it when Blake's mum and dad in the house. For other people, no, it's not for me. Yeah, Glitter Foil Revolution one. This one is Glam Pink. Beautiful, like unbelievable. Wow. So yeah, that is like my full face of testing Lancome. I'd love to know what you think down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if there's any other brands that you want me to test out, or any certain products that you want to test out. I have got loads ready to go. So I've got like Studio London, Collection, Real Love, Beauty Crop, I Heart, W7, P. Louise. I've got like a mixture of like a PR, kind of like full face of PR makeup, full face of Made by Mitchell, Rev Pro, XX Rev, Primark, Doll Beauty. I've got like a bougie full face of like bougie products of stuff that I've bought or that I've been sent in PR, like a mix. So yeah, I've got absolutely loads like ready to go. So let me know which one you want me to kind of get started on. If not, some of them might already be up on my channel. But yeah, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in a new video very, very soon. Bye!